everybody, welcome back to Truly Outrageous. I'm Neil, and today we're doing another fan-requested drawing, this time from Katie Fancy's son. He would like to invite all the miners, even the noobs, to come on a journey with us as we draw Minecraft Steve. Before we do that, a little bit about our goal here on the channel. We're very passionate about art, and we want to teach as many of you as we possibly can how to draw. The way that we know we're achieving our goal is by the amount of subscribers that we have. So if you want to support the channel and reach that 1,200 with us, go down below, click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the bell so you get our latest content. And don't forget to spread the word about Truly Outrageous. Tell your mom, tell your dad, your brothers, sisters, teachers, aunts, uncles, hey, even the guy sitting next to you at the stop sign. Roll down your window and say, hey, go check out Truly Outrageous, they're awesome. But enough of that. Grab your pickaxes, your diamond swords, and your armor, and let's go draw Minecraft Steve. Let's get started. So for this drawing, you're going to need a piece of paper, a drawing utensil. I'm using a marker. Feel free to use one too, or if you want to use a pencil or a pen, whatever's most comfortable for you, feel free to do that. When we get to the coloring step, this is the color palette that I'm using. Feel free to copy me, or if you want, choose your own colors. Okay, step number one, we are going to draw Minecraft Steve's head. So it's two parallel lines. They're going to start right here. Draw a line down like that. Another one down like that. And then because everything in the Minecraft world is made of squares, we're going to square this off. Same thing up here. Square it off. Do as best you can. Next, we're going to draw his body. So his body is just another rectangular shape, so two parallel lines. We're going to come off these lines here, and we're just going to pull them down. It's about there. Same thing over on this side. You're going to pull a line down to about there. And then we're going to cap this part off too. Is everything square in Minecraft world? Kind of looks like a pencil and eraser. But trust me, we'll add on some parts and facial features and it'll make it look like Steve. All right, next we're gonna draw his midline. So this is kind of where the t-shirt and the pants meet. We're gonna come across like this, but we're gonna stop right here because he's got a piece of his shirt hanging out. So that's gonna start right here. We're gonna pull that across about here. And then we're gonna go like a ladder, or excuse me, not like a ladder, like stairs. We're gonna go down like this, and like this. Next, we're gonna draw his legs. So that's just a straight line down the middle here. Start right there, pull it all the way down. And try and get it right there, kind of in the middle. And then we're gonna put his shoes on. So that's just another straight line all the way across. You can just keep pulling it right through that line we just drew. Boom, shoes. All right, next we're going to draw his arms. So his arms actually come a little bit past the t-shirt line here, right about here. So we're gonna pull a line off of here. And then we're gonna go down to about here. Straighten that out a little bit. And then we're gonna cap that off per the usual squareness, like that. Same thing on this side. Gonna pull that line off like that. We're gonna come down like we did on the other side to about there. Check on this side because that's kind of where you want to put the end of it. And then we're gonna cross over, oops, like that. So there you have his body there, his shirt. And then we're gonna give him some sleeves. So that's just a line across right here. He's wearing a t-shirt. Same thing on this side. Try and match the lines as well as you can. Cross like that. He's got kind of a V-neck type t-shirt going on. Yeah! So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line right here and right here. And then we're gonna do like we did down here, kind of the steps, but it comes over like this, goes down one time. Same thing on this side. Over and down, like that. And then you're gonna pull that line across to square it off. Okay, let's do Minecraft Steve's face. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to draw a line starting right here. I'm gonna pull that line across. This is just gonna represent the bottom of his hairline, like that. And then we're gonna do kind of the similar thing that we did, that little step down, and across like that. And then down and across like that. Straighten that out a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna draw his mouth, and he's got a nice happy face. So we're gonna go up like this. Same thing on this side. Up like this. A little bit further. Then we're gonna go over and down. Over and down. And then another straight line across. So that's his little happy face. Next we're gonna do his nose. So his nose is gonna go up. It's just a little rectangle, up like this. Oh, whoops, over like that, down, and then across again, like that. Now we're gonna do his eyes. So his eyes are also squares, over here. Goes up like this, and like that. And it's gonna come across like that, down like that, across again like that. So you got another rectangle on that side. And then same thing on this side, you're gonna pull that line across like that. And we're gonna go down like that. And then we're gonna pull that line across again like that. And he's got some square eyes in there, so we'll do that as our last step here. Just like that. All right, and there's your line work done for Minecraft Steve. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. All right, why don't mining towns have hospitals? Because everyone there only ever suffers from minor injuries. All right, let's get on to our coloring step, and we'll drink some potion so we can do it in super fast speed, starting right now. And there it is, your fully colored Minecraft Steve. I want to say thanks again to Katie Fancy's son. This was a great suggestion. I had lots of fun drawing Steve. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to the channel and join us on our journey to 1200 this month. Don't forget to tell all your friends about us. And don't forget to have a great day wherever it is you are. All right, that's going to wrap us up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.